And then you guys worked together at Chitale's office.
Yes, she was already working there when I joined. I think I joined in 1990.
Right.
So we came back to India via a very circuitous route via Jordan and all of that stuff.
Right.
And landed in Chennai and was just lazing around for a week or 10 days when my uncle caught me and said, "So what are you planning to do?" And I said, "I'll do something. I don't know." I was pretty vague at that time. He said, "No, architect, engineers, you guys should not be idling.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your CV looks bad."
Right.
So, a blotch or a hole, what were you doing for 6 months? So better get to work immediately. I said, so okay, I'll find out who are the architects. I didn't have much idea also.
Sure.
So he said, don't worry, I have a friend who's a Rotarian and he will have some good connections.
Right.
So he put me on to his friend and that friend saw me and he said, I know one architect who's in my Rotary club. I'll write a letter for you. You go to him and see him.
Okay.
So I took that letter and it was a letter addressed to Senior Chitle.
Okay.
So I landed up in his office and Kapil Chitle only saw me and he said, okay, I guess he had a vacancy and he said, okay, join from tomorrow or whatever.
Yeah.
So I joined Chitle's office and then that's where I met Varuna,
And did you guys get to work together on the same project?
Not initially. See, I spent 2 years there.
Right.
So the first maybe a year and a half, I was doing mostly architectural projects,
Right.
competitions, residential, some industrial work and all for Senior Chitle.
Sure.
But there was a time, I think British Airways was it, or some
British
interior, some projects and all that were also going on parallelly, and there was some pressure there.
Yeah.
So I got a good hang of interiors, watching them do this.
Yeah.
So Kapil roped me in for that, and so I started working with her on 1 or 2 reasonably prestigious projects for that time.
Okay.
And I also learnt a little bit about interiors, working together on this and how these drawings are done and what are the kind of detailing, what are the molds.
Yeah.
So, the intricacies of interior design, I sort of started getting into it around the second half of my stay in Chitle's office.
And this was something different from what you had learnt in Kuwait?
Yeah. Kuwait was all in all, there was a separate interior department there which I never got into. I
Right.
just spent barely a year.
Okay.
So I was mostly in the architectural section.
Yeah.
And I used to do working drawings and handling that kind of work. I didn't do any design work there. I was just exposed to good design.
Yeah.
So it's something which you watch and learn.
Yeah.
But I was myself basically brought into the drawing section.
Yeah.
So we did a lot of good quality working drawings on films, not
Right.
tracing paper. Very good. I mean, I saw and learnt a few things there, which
And that's probably something that you don't do, very few people actually do that today.
no, not at all,
Not at all, yeah.
not at all. In fact, our office there is not a single drawing board now. Everybody is working on computers and
Yeah.
plotters and all that.
Yeah.
So
even design development is done on the.
but we both are a little
We are
old
still
school.
on old school.
So we
I
still
just
draw
feel
and
I
sketch
still-
to the best of our ability.
Yeah.
And it's a tactile feel of
Yeah.
doing something.
Yeah,
on paper.
I think
I
for an
somehow
architect.
feel the brain and the hand connection and the design
Yeah.
is direct.
Right.
Like you just really don't
you
have
can't.
a machine in
I don't know
between.
how much you can do it with a keyboard.
I don't know, that's our school of thought
Yeah.
and we've learned it that way.
Besides, we are not that skilled on the software side of it.
Okay.
So we really don't know how it can be expressed. But
Yeah.
I think working with a pencil is far more effective and your creative
No, at least
juices
the
will flow better.
concepts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the what CAD has done and everything to the architecture, drawing and all that is just
Yeah.
far out from what we could do those days.
Yeah.
Like we would take longer time to finish drawings
Yeah.
than what is done now.
Correct.
So it's something which we really picked up, learned. We were so scared because
Yeah.
if we when we got the computers and all that,
Yeah.
because we were not used to it and we
Correct.
had not learnt it in our institutes and things like that.
And this is something, have you been able to pass it on to the younger architects in your firm? About,
Yeah, we do tell them.
Yeah.
Like, it's nice to see younger, architects coming in and giving you sketches. So you really, you tend to connect more
Yeah.
with, when you see somebody, when we've discussed the concepts and you just see CAD drawings coming on your table,
Yeah.
then you just tend to draw over that.
Yeah.
Like just to convey your ideas.
Correct. Yeah.
So that's how we do. But I still see the generation now wants to do directly
Okay.
on the system.
So that takes one element out of it that you are used to doing as well.
Correct. I would say that the confidence from the day I joined Chitle's to the day I left, I would just owe it to Kapil Chitle and
Okay.
Mrs. Kashmira, because I used to shiver in the beginning, because I was just a diploma in interior design,
Right.
sitting on one of those prestigious tables in the
Yeah.
office, occupying one workstation there,
Yeah.
and whatever would come my way, I would just be clueless of how to go about it, because there was
Yeah.
no other interior designer in the office.
You were the only
I was the
one?
only one.
Wow.
And at one point, I was the only girl there.
Oh,
So
wow.
I think when we.
That sounds like I didn't have much choice.
No, but I think that shows even how far things have come,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And
And this was what, 20 years ago?
yeah, and I
No, this is 30 years, yeah. We're talking 1990. I joined Chitle's office in 90.
90.
Okay.
Yeah.
89 she joined, 90 I joined.
Yeah.
92 we kind of both left.
Right, okay.
But I must tell you that there were times when Kapil would give something for me to develop and design.
Right.
And I would be clueless, because one is you don't have exposure, you don't have any internet, you don't have anything
Yeah.
to how
Fall
do you
back on.
study, how do
Yeah.
you get the thing. So like I had senior draftsmen there who would have done so much, so I would just go and sit on their table and tell, okay, this is what I have to do, I'll do the design part, but
Right.
how do I do it, how do I do my drawings and things like that, and I learnt there. And
Right.
I would go to Kapil itself and tell, sir, I've just done this much, now what do I
Right.
do? And he would spend time
And
giving
listen
me
and-
complete, like a teacher teaching me how to go about.
Right.
So I think that opportunity and luck, I think very rarely people get.
Yeah, and
At that
having a
time, at that
mentor-
time.
a mentor
Yeah, it
figure
was-
like
yeah,
that to
absolutely.
take the interest and the
Yeah.
time to.
So I got that in the office with Kapil, and with Kashmira, his wife, I learned so much about selection processes, how do you get things together, furniture selection, all the
Yeah.
styling of what goes into an interior,
Yeah.
and that standard and quality and that taste.
Yes.
I really got in. So that thing, I was so grateful, and
Yeah.
it's something which I can never. It was my foundation.
Yeah.
One foundation. I'll talk about the other foundation later.
Sure.
But this is something which really made me very confident.
Yeah.
So by the time I had finished the 3 years working with them,
Yeah.
and when I started getting my own thing, I could really feel confident, because I had all the knowledge which I got from where I was.
Yeah.
Where I was nothing, and I just got all the inputs from them and
Yeah.
all the guidance, and that took
really
me through.
just
Yeah.
set you going.
Yeah.
And
by the time, I think when we both did that British Airways office, I was so confident that both of us were working.
Right.
And for me to work with a architect who's come from IIT, and
Yeah.
to be together and the same project and talk, and with Kapil, it was a great experience to
Right.
work together and collaboratively, and
Yes.
then
and
get
both
your
of you brought different things to the
yeah,
table.
absolutely.
Yeah, in a
And then
broader sense,
and
yes.
then you do a independent project, and you are okay, you can handle, you have
Sure.
decision making on your shoulder, and it went through very well. It was very well appreciated, that project.